Hello everyone, welcome back to Steel Roots Market. Tonight I'm working on a special little project using the Christmas Joy IOD Transfer. This is one part of today's creative drop over on my website, and it is paired with a free ornament set when you order the transfer. I have been tonight layering all kinds of great Pentart products, creating this soft winter shimmer around this ornament base. The design has this beautiful old world charm, a quiet snowy cottage scene that just feels like Christmas. And I did get that out of this IOD transfer. I love how this texture builds up around the edges. It reminds me of a frosted windows on a cozy winter night. The glaze I decided to add at the end was the Pentart pouring glaze, and it just gives it a beautiful glimmer, almost like it's in candlelight. So this one's drying overnight, and I'm going to be back tomorrow to finish it and adding a few final touches and getting a ribbon on top. I will be sharing my full video of this little project tomorrow, so make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. And don't forget, free shipping at $75 ends tonight at midnight, and you'll receive this ornament set free with your Christmas Joy transfer. I'll add it right to your package if you order this. And if your order reaches $100 or more, it also includes the oval surface I shared, perfect for your next holiday project. All the details are over on my website. You can shop the full collection and see all of today's creative drops at steelrootsmarket.com. I'll see you back tomorrow for the finished reveal. Until then, keep creating and enjoying the process.